Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into something that a lot of you have been asking about: how easy it is to build a website on Wix. Whether you're launching a new blog, showcasing your creative work, or setting up an online store, Wix promises you can build a website with no coding skills. So let's begin. Now, first of all, you need to go to the official website on Wix, and that's going to be www.wix.com. After that, all you have to do is click the Get Started button here or on the upper right corner. If you do that, you would be forwarded to the sign up option, which is going to be a piece of cake. It's really easy because all you have to do is put in your business, your personal or working email, or you can use your Google or Facebook depending on your preferences. Once you've done that, what will happen is you would be forwarded on this section. Okay, so are you going to be using the website for a business or a friend, or for a client, or maybe you are a freelancer or an agency? Now, depending on your purpose, for example, we're going to use as a freelancer or an agency for a client here. And what will happen is you have two options. If you're an agency and freelancer, Wix Studio is the platform for you. You can simply click the Go to Wix Studio or go to the Continue with Wix, because what will happen is that it's gonna build up the integrations for your website. You can start chat or you can set up without chat, because what will happen is it would be forwarded to these selections. So what type of website do you want to create? Is it going to be an online store, a portfolio, a blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, or event? Now that is dependent upon your purpose of creating a website. Now in this case, I'm just going to be selecting the portfolio. Is it going to be a design portfolio, PR, creative portfolio? Let's do that right now. The reason we're doing this is that Wix is helping you build a website tailored to your preferences and needs. If you want to skip this step, you might want to do so, but do not encourage that. Instead, click on these steps. Now, in this case, what is going to be the website called? Now, I'm going to put in like GPlefs and describe it in a few sentences or words. I'm going to click on next. Now, you can choose all of them if you wanted: showcase creative work, get booked online, sell products, or choose anything that applies to your brand identity or your business or your store or your portfolio. You can advertise in Google, send email marketing campaigns, run your site on mobile, create a link in bio page, send automated emails. I'ma click on finish. Okay. The next thing is it's going to be preparing your dashboard for GPlefs, installing based on your goals, creating your personal setup. And once you've done that, waiting it for load your dashboard. Okay. Now, once you have, of course, created your account, you'll be forwarded to a lot of templates that you can choose from. All right. There are multiple pre-made templates that you can use. Matter of fact, they offer 800 customizable templates across different industries: business, e-commerce, portfolios, blogs, and more. You can pick a template that suits your needs and then personalize it by changing text, images, and layouts. Now, in this example, I'm going to click on the Explorers templates. I'm going to using this one. You can simply click on the view if you wanted to test waters to see how the website would look like on desktop view, like a tablet, or if you wanted to check the responsiveness on the mobile as well. Right? You have all that at your disposal. If you are happy with this, all you have to do is click on edit template and you would be forwarded to the Wix editor. Right? Just wait for it to load. It'll set up some things for you. Now, once it's loaded, you have the option to edit the website of your own using the fully customizable elements on the left side panel of your dashboard. You see that? You can click on the plus button. You can add image, title, paragraph, button, container, video, and a lot more. Now let's try to use an image. If you click that, and if you wanted to add an image here, it'll wait. Just wait for it to load. As you can see, the image has been loaded, and the option for you to customize it is going to be on the right side. I'm going to delete the first one. Here, there's going to be an option that says change image. You can even also choose the create image. But I have already created an image of my own because we have been doing the tutorials for you guys. All right. I'm going to upload a media. You can use your Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, link URL. You can also use the media from your computer. Now, what will happen is it would be uploaded to your website, and of course, you have all this option for you. Just wait for it and click on update. Once you've done that, you have the option to put it anywhere else here on the interface of your website. Now, once you're happy with all of this, there's a lot of options you can here. You can put in some app markets for a custom integration so you can grow your website, like the map and store locator, social media icons, online store, reviews, which we have covered so many in the past. If you want to check our GPLAFS channel, you can create another store here. But what I'm going to do is click on publish, because this step is very important. Now, you have two options. You can get a free Wix Studio domain, which is powered by Wix, or if you want to connect your own customized domain, for example, www.mystunningwebsite.com, you're welcome to do so. Click on save and continue. What will happen is you would be forwarded to another page, wherein you would be forwarded on what domain you want to connect to GPLAFS YouTube. I'm going to type in my own. For example, that's going to be www.gplafs.com. Click on this button that says let's go, and you would be given several options for you to connect a domain. Is it going to be .com, .online? If you if you own this domain, click that, but we don't own it. I'm going to click on this gplafs.net instead. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to the option here. You can get the domain for free with a premium plan. You can have all the benefits from a full suite of premium plan, premium features, including the domain for the first year, no Wix branding, and a 14-day money-back guarantee. But if you wanted to buy domain only, click on continue. And you have all this option. This is very important because you might want to have the registration period for 1 year, and you'll have to pay for this 2 years, 3 years, and click on continue. Now, the last process is very important because all I have to do is provide all the information, verify it, continue, and pay for it via the payment methods that is accepted here on Wix. Whether you need a blog, business website, portfolio, or online store, Wix provides everything in one platform to help you quickly get a polished website and running. All right. Now, we may not have covered, but Wix has so many analytic tools that will help you monitor website traffic and performance so you can adjust content and design to meet your goals. After publishing, managing your site is very easy. You can log in and make changes at any time, whether updating text, adding new blog posts, or modifying the overall design. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.